welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I wash my hair extensions. Though it's a really fast and easy process, but some of my friends, they always ask how you wash your hair extensions. Today I just decided to make a real short video to show you how I wash my hair extensions at home. So this is the hair that I'm going to be washing today. It has a little part here, the fronter. So guys, the hair shampoo I'm going to be using is Sunsilk. It's the same shampoo I use on my hair. You can check out my wash hair day routine video. So this is the shampoo I'm using, Sunsilk Co-Creation. I love it so much. I use it always to wash my hair. And the conditioner I'm using is Tresemme Professional Use. It is perfect for hair. It moisturizes dry hair. Since the hair extension is not my hair, it is not on the hair, so it needs moisture always. That's why I use this Tresemme. I love it also for my natural hair. That's what I use also. So guys, let's get to washing. So guys, I filled a bowl with warm water. I sprinkle some shampoo inside and I stir it with my hand. This is the hair. So I'm gonna submerge this hair in the water. As you can see, I submerge it starting from the edges, not just all at once. I submerge one after the other, but starting from the edges. As you can see, that's the frontal. I'm gonna submerge it also. Then I will leave it for 5 minutes. And I mean 5 minutes, guys. That's my timer, 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna squeeze it out. I try to squeeze out the water. As you can see, I put my fingers through the hair to make sure that it's not tangled. So I just squeeze the water out. And then I fill the bowl with another hot water and more shampoo, and I repeat the process. But this time, I'm gonna untie the hair. As you can see, it was in bundles. But this time, I'm gonna untie the hair, as you can see, guys. But, okay, now I'm gonna put it in the water for 3 minutes. Not 5 minutes, 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'll just wash it again and I squeeze it out. As you can see, guys, I'm squeezing it starting from the roots and I squeeze down. Not pulling too much hard because maybe you might just rip off the hair if you pull too hard. So you just be gentle. Be gentle. So now I wash it. I change the water. I wash it until I'm satisfied that the shampoo is completely out. Then I go in now with the conditioner. I apply conditioner on the hair, guys, as you can see. And I apply a lot of conditioner. Don't be stingy with the conditioner. Just apply more because the hair is really dry. It's not on your head, so it needs this. You have to apply a lot of conditioner. So when I do that, I always brush the hair to make sure that it's not tangled and also to make sure the conditioner goes through the hair. It touches all the hair. So some people like a brush, but I like this. I like to use this comb, not a brush. As you can see, guys, I just apply conditioner and I comb the hair. I brush through the hair to make sure it's not tangled. It's really long, guys, so it's making it really hard. So after that, I just wash the hair. As you can see, guys, now this time I wash strand by strand. I wash one after the other, not all at once in the bowl. So I'm gonna repeat the process. I keep washing until I am satisfied that the hair is completely clean. Then I will fill another bowl with cold water. When the hair is clean, I fill another bowl with cold water. As you can see, that is completely cold water to finish it, to wash it with. That's the end. Then I'll dry it outside. I don't like to blow dry. So guys, now I will just let the hair out to let it dry by itself. I don't like to use blow dryers on them, as I just like to leave them out to dry by itself. So that's it guys. I hope it was helpful to you, and now you have seen how to wash hair. You can do it. You can do it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Bye. I love you all. Peace.